another weekend, a little bit more wind. Some are already out, as hopefully you can see. There are some, there is also someone sailing. Yeah, we wait for a little bit less rain. Should be in a couple of minutes stopping, and then yeah, we have some scattered clouds. That's better. And I will have to go to another place, Seebruck. Of course, I have my motorboat lesson today, and I try to do this one hand. It's my first time alone. Hope that works well. I will meet my wife there, so we sail back and have a wonderful night at the boat again. And tomorrow, yeah, the weather forecast say 25, 26 degrees plus. In the morning, a little wind, then less, but that's good for her, and I hope she can stay it. Of course, we have around 12 knots wind, and that could crank a little bit the boat, and she don't like it. Good. I learned another lesson: be relaxed during sailing, and that's an important part. Just be relaxed. Therefore, before I ever do anything now, I prepare my coffee. One more update while my water is boiling. I tried something new, and I honestly got rid of all the spiders and everything ugly else in the boat. Let me show you what it was. That's the wonder spray called Clean Kill, and it really is against spiders and everything which is breaching and crawling through the boat, and I love it. So you see this? There is actually nothing. So that's what I honestly like. We had a big spider last time here. That's by the way the carbon monoxide sensor again, and I think that runs pretty soon on. Of course, I'm boiling my coffee, and that's what I actually really like. So you have nothing in the boat. Even outside it's really less. So we had a lot of spiders running around our stairs and the pin and the rudder, and there is nothing, even not at the engine. So I sprayed it only once, and they say it should prevent it for actually 6 weeks. And let the others goes. Motorboat training for my exam next week. Yeah, I need to learn some more things, but as you see now, at least I made it. Sorry that I didn't actually record it, but we have really strong wind, and even our tiny 24-foot boat actually we're really squeezing into the wind, and was nice. So I made it. So good when you just learn things even without the training. But let me see, or let me show you. Here comes the tiny one. And yeah, looks good. So this time I prepare also the sail outside, and then yeah, going back. Pretty excited because here it's a little less wind, that's good, but soon we are on the lake. It just gets excited. Yeah, away we are, and where's the wind? So I headed from Achtet on the back, and I was going midwind. Now I have it at least 90 degrees at the side. So see that? I'm going a little faster, but it's not, as I said, that windy. Well, we have a couple of sailors outside today. Even if it's not the most beautiful day, actually no sun, but it's also nice. And I have to admit, it works, even sailing alone. But I'm pretty happy once my wife joins again. But it was really too rough this morning, so that's not what she likes. And yeah, not yet cranking anymore, so we're going 3 knots. And I have my coffee. Coffee important. This passage is a little narrow, but that one is still very safe to go.